Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about offshore accident attorney in USA. Montanga maritime loss, suffering and injury while at work can be stressful, confusing and traumatic experience of anyone. Your employer might not be making the effort you expect to ensure your well-being. Oftentimes, employers and insurance use enhanced techniques to get offshore works to settle their case quickly. That's why it's important to speak to knowledgeable offshore injury attorney who can advise you of your right under maritime law. Need an offshore injury lawyer? Have you been injured in an offshore or maritime accident? The ocean is most dangerous workplace on the planet. US maritime industries are found in early every state, employing more than 4,000 works across the nation. Maritime works find employment in a variety of fields such as shipyards, marine terminal, fishing, seafood processing, commercial diving, and maritime transportation. According to the Centers of Disease Control, maritime works face a higher risk of fatality, injury, and illness than average of American workers. From slips and falls, equipment failures, collision, fires, and unsafe works, parasites, and negligence, injury usually require costly medical care. Sometimes long-term injuries can mean injured workers who relies on his and her physical ability may not be able to return to work. This can be disadvantageous over families practically ever the worker's sole breadwinner and can no longer earn living. Offshore injuries are covered by laws that are different from those that apply to land-based workers. If you or someone you love has been injured or fallen ill while working offshore and encouraged to get in touch with experienced offshore injury attorney at Montanga Maritime Law as soon possible to request your free case evaluation. Type of offshore injuries: when an offshore worker takes an employment in maritime industry, it's understood the job is physically demanding and comes with inherent risks that are far more dangerous compared to land-based work. Injuries are common and range from very minor the horror and even death. In many cases, minor injuries can become much significant over time. Some of the most common type of offshore injuries include traumatic brain injury (TBIS) can significant in any number of ways. Offshore workers are consistently putting themselves in construction and industrial like environment. A below to the head from slip or fall or being struck by swinging unsecured cargo and case traumatic brain injury. This can result in permanent cognitive and personality changes. Spinal and back injuries, operating equipment, carrying heavily loads, and hard labor can be back-breaking work, requiring many hours of standing, lifting, twisting, and pulling. Offshore workers can sustain injuries from falls or being struck by vehicle and unstable loads. A back or neck injury can result of chronic pain and limited mobility, and in the most severe case can result even when medical attention is administration promptly. There can be long-term disabilities associations with spinal and back injuries. Slips and falls injuries experienced in slips and falls are among the most common and can be serious. Accident caused by slip and fall can result in the to broken the bones. In some cases, sleeping on the deck of ship and platform can send you overboard, which immediately assault into a very hazardous situation. Loss of hearing. If hearing protection is not provided and maintained, it's possible that over time workers will be exposed to enough significant noise that diminish their hearing. In some cases, where work environments are loud enough or total hearing loss can develop. Loss of limbs. Walking into the path of truck and frog field, working with cables under tension, or getting a leg caught and crashed beneathly, and cargo like coils, pipes, plates, and tires can lead injuries requiring attention. The loss of limbs is file changing injury. These are types of these are types of total injuries. I hope my video is very helpful. Please like and subscribe my channel.